Hello everyone and welcome to our beginner-friendly tutorial on Pictory AI. Pictory is an innovative AI video generator software that effortlessly converts lengthy written content into engaging short videos. With Pictory, you can save time and effort by automating the process of extracting valuable information from articles, resulting in social media-friendly videos that drive traffic to your platform. Start by signing up on Pictory. If you're new, opt for the free trial option. Fill in your name, email, and payment details. Verify your email address to activate your account. Pictory offers 4 options: script to video, article to video, edit video using text, and visuals to video. Select Script to Video for this tutorial. Choose a name for your video. Write a script that Pictory AI will use to generate your video. Now you will have an option of scene settings where you can auto-highlight keywords, select auto visuals, and select where you want your new scene. I am leaving it by default. Click on Proceed. Our video is now ready. In the Story section, select a scene and edit it to your liking. In the Visuals section, customize and change your video's visuals. In the Audio section, choose background music from an extensive selection. Add realistic AI voices or your own recorded voiceover. In the Text section, enhance your video with various decorative text headings. There are also elements and style selections for templates and graphics. In the Format section, choose between landscape, portrait, or square format. Now you can click on Download to download your video easily. Your video will be readied and saved under My Project from where you can download it to your computer. Similarly, in Article to Video, you just have to paste the link of the article you want to convert. Click on Proceed. Pictory will summarize your article and make it in a script. After you proceed, your video will be generated. You can follow a similar process to edit this video. The link to Pictory is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.